Simmer down, staying cool in conversational heat. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as common as it is colorful: simmer down. Whether you're watching a movie, reading a book, or having a chat in English, understanding idiomatic expressions can be a real game changer. So, let's get to the bottom of what simmer down means and how you can use it to sound like a native speaker. The phrase, simmer down, is used to tell someone to become calmer or less agitated. It comes from the culinary term, simmer, which means to cook something gently at a temperature just below the boiling point. Just as a pot of soup simmers when it's heated gently, a person simmers down when they move from a state of excitement or anger to a state of calm. It's often used by someone who is observing that another person is too excited or angry and needs to relax. Simmer down has its roots deep in the cooking lingo. To understand it better, imagine a pot on the stove. When the heat is too high, the contents of the pot might start to boil over. You would turn down the heat to bring it to a simmer, which is a gentle, steady state of cooking. This is a perfect metaphor for calming down human emotions. When used as a phrase, it first became popular in English-speaking countries and has since spread as a handy way to call for calm in many situations. Now let's put simmer down into action. Here are a few examples. After the heated debate, the teacher asked the class to simmer down and discuss the issue calmly. The fans were getting too rowdy, so the announcer told them to simmer down before the game could continue. When the children became too noisy, the babysitter said, "Let's simmer down now, it's almost bedtime." When telling someone to simmer down, your body language and tone of voice are important. You wouldn't want to escalate the situation by sounding too authoritative or dismissive. A friendly, yet firm tone with relaxed body language can help convey the message without offending the other person. And there you have it. Simmer down is a great phrase to use when things are getting a little too heated, and you want to bring the temperature back to normal. It's a friendly, non-confrontational way to restore peace and calm. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use simmer down confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll be simmering down like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.